Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to create a new account on Linqto. So let's dive into the video without further ado. First of all, open your Linqto application on your mobile device. You can also visit the official website for Linqto and sign up from there. Once you open up the application, you should be able to see the sign up option at the bottom left-hand corner. Simply tap on it and in the create an account page, fill in some of your information like your first name, last name, email address and create a password. Go ahead and start off by entering your name in the first field and then go to the next one and type in your last name. In the email tab, enter a valid email address that you have access to. Now, create a password in the password text box. Once you go ahead and fill in all of the boxes, if you want to receive updates on new investment opportunities, price reduction and market insights from Linqto, make sure to check this little box at the bottom under password. If you don't want to receive them, you can leave the box unchecked and finally click on start investing. Once you create your account, you can now log into it by entering your email and your password. Now, you'll need to check your email in order to verify it. Tap on Go to Email and then log into your email inbox that you provided. You will then receive the account activation inbox from Linqto. Tap it open and tap on Confirm Email in order to verify your email address. In order to create an investor profile, you'll need to go ahead and verify your identity. Make sure that you have your ID card or your driver's license or passport and a self-photo. Tap on Begin ID Verification and then select from either license or photo ID or passport option and also make sure to choose your country. Once you select your country, select any identity document type that is available to you and tap on it. Now, allow Linqto to access the camera on your mobile device by tapping on OK. Now you can scan the front side of your ID document. Once your identity has been verified, you will need to complete your profile by providing additional information such as your investment experience, risk tolerance, and investment goals. Once your profile is completed, you can fund your account using a linked bank account or wire transfer. And then you can start exploring and investing in Linqto offerings once your account is funded. So that's how easy it is in order to create an account on Linqto. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.